Hey guys, this is Gerson with Contractor Site. I'm here in Belmont, Massachusetts, at another project. We converted a part of a closet into a laundry room in the second floor. Um, this is used to be a just a regular wall. It's a load-bearing wall, so we put up a header and then we converted to a laundry room setup. So that's the dryer. As you can see, a vent pipe there. This is the the washer machine side. So hot and cold shut off in the drain, and that's a emergency drain since we are on the second floor. I'm in the process of doing the lighting and outlets, so I will make another video in a few minutes to explain how to do that. And this is a bedroom. It used to be a bifold door in here. We closed that off and we open up this side for a smaller door. So in a few minutes I'll be doing that light. It's a recessed light, 4-inch halo, and there's a couple of outlets in there and a switch here. So anyways, this floor will be patched up in a couple of days. I will post a video when it's all said and done. Okay, and the other side of this wall, there's a big closet where we took part of it in order to have the laundry room. Okay, and that's it for now. I will upload another video in a few minutes showing how to do the other things I just told you. Alright guys, thank you very much. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, because that will help my channel. If you like the video, thumbs up will also help my video, and I will keep uploading more videos. So if you subscribe, you will receive the videos every couple of days, for sure, one video per week, showing how to do things and and the progress of the job. All right, thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.